Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a software that helps you to auto post on marketplace on Facebook. So you can see this is my software that I use. So first, we have account management. This function will help you to add and manage a limited Facebook account. So you can use this Facebook account to go to auto post, auto like, auto comment on Facebook. So to auto post on marketplace, you will need content. So I go to content management. So you can add your content about marketplace in here. For example, this is the post about marketplace. You can add style, add the type, and select a list type, and you can choose the price you need and enter your price in here, or you can choose the product category or condition, and you can enter your content in here and choose your location, or you can upload your image or video in here. After done, you press save and just save to content in content management. After you have content, so I will go to post function and choose post marketplace. In here, first I will choose the account that I want to post marketplace and set up the configuration. So first I will set up the interval between two actions from 5 to 10 seconds. And next I will set the content. The content I already add in content management. And you can choose allow duplicate content between account or not. Next, I will set up the post configuration. You can choose the number of posts of each account you post. You can choose hide posts from friends or list in more group. You can enter your group ID in here. Okay, after everything set up, I will press start and let the software do the work. So you can see the process in here. After process success, I will go to account management and go and enter my account to check it. So you can see the software will auto open the browser like this, and you can use this to normal browser. And I will go to marketplace and check the post that I already post. So you can see this is a post that I already post. Here. So basically, I just show you how to post on marketplace on Facebook. If you need more information, please contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail is below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for Bond 2 channel.